Becoming an affiliate marketer is in many ways the perfect business model. Here's a way to earn money online while you sleep without even having to build a product. This is the method that is most commonly promoted by internet marketing gurus and that has reportedly helped them to live the lifestyles of their dreams, to buy their own private jets, and to generally enjoy the kind of lifestyle that was once the sole reserve of famous celebrities and extremely successful CEOs. You may be wondering if this is all too good to be true. Can you really earn that much money while you sleep? By selling someone else's product? If that's true, then why aren't more people online billionaires? Here's the truth. It absolutely is possible to earn a huge amount of money online as an affiliate marketer. Plenty of people genuinely have made a huge amount of money by selling affiliate products online. The problem? The methods that they share very often don't reflect the best strategies that you should employ. Why? This often comes down to one of two things. One, they don't want you to know the techniques they are actually using to get rich. Newsflash, it's selling those books to you. Two, they actually aren't that successful. That's because a large proportion of the people who are successful are already living on a sunny island somewhere and no longer need to sell ebooks. The intention of this book is to cut through the noise, to do away with the distracting nonsense, and to instead focus on just what actually works. In other words, this book will explain to you how you actually sell a product successfully. That means teaching you the very strategies that were probably used to sell you this book. That's not a bad thing, by the way. The very fact that you have been a customer means that you will have a great idea of what it is that appeals to someone when buying an ebook. You can get inside the minds of your customers. What you're really going to learn then is a set of tools and strategies, a number of different methods and concepts that you can apply when selling anything. That will help you to be highly successful. Ready to start making some huge sales? Want to get rich from a product without even having to own a product to sell? Then go through all of the training. You're going to learn to do all those things. I hope you're excited, because this could be the start of something awesome. Affiliate marketing explained. Essentially, affiliate marketing means selling for commission. This works online in just the same way as it does for a door-to-door salesman. That is to say that you will be selling a product that you did not create and do not own the rights to, but in return, you will get to keep some commission. This is a powerful option for those who want to earn money online but don't necessarily have the skills or the resources to build an ebook, an online course, or something else from scratch. The big difference between being an affiliate marketer and a door-to-door salesman, of course, is that the affiliate is someone who will be able to sell their products to the entire world. Thanks to the web, it's possible to reach pretty much anyone, right in the comfort of their home. This makes affiliate marketing endlessly scalable, and with the right product and the right pitch, you can make a huge killing. Selling digital products has a huge number of impressive advantages after all. Firstly, selling digital products means that there is no storage and no delivery. That, in turn, means that a much bigger cut of the revenue will be split between you and the owner of the product. Affiliates can often stand to earn 70% or even 90% from promoting digital products. By offering higher commissions on their products, product owners can attract more people to help them sell them. Thus, it is in their best interest to give away a big cut. This is a rare instance of a genuinely win-win scenario. Advantages of becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing removes many of the challenges and obstacles that you face when trying to sell something online. Some of these are obvious, others are not. First of all, selling an affiliate product means you don't need to create something new. This means that you can start earning money immediately. As soon as you're accepted as an affiliate, you can start making cash. What's even more beneficial about selling affiliate products is that it allows you to sell products that have been proven. In other words, you can look and see which affiliate products are selling the best. How much have they made so far? How are they rated? This way, you can choose a product that is almost guaranteed to be a hit for you. You at least know that it has the potential to be a hit for you. The biggest downside of being an affiliate is that this is not your product. For all that affiliate marketing has amazing benefits, you ultimately are selling someone else's creation. And unlike selling a PLR package, private label rights, you won't have the opportunity to change it or to make edits as you see fit. This means that you'll be selling something that isn't necessarily a reflection or extension of your own personality, views, or styles. This is then significantly more difficult to sell. However, we will show you how you can overcome this. The nitty-gritty. How to sell as an affiliate. How does affiliate marketing work on a technical level, and how do you profit from it? Essentially, affiliate marketing works using cookies. Product creators are going to give you a share of their profits for every sale that you send their way. That means that they need to be able to track which sales are coming from you versus other sources. Cookies allow them to do this. Cookies are small files that are stored by your browser when you visit a website. When you become an affiliate, you'll be given an affiliate link to promote. That link is unique to you and doesn't actually link directly to the product. Rather, it links to another website, which is going to redirect visitors to the sales page so that they can make the purchase. Before you get redirected, though, the cookie will first be stored on their computer so that the store can identify you as the person who sent them there. Simple. Something else to think about is that it's important that you always announce the fact that you are getting commission on a link. You can actually get into trouble if you promote an affiliate link without declaring that you are earning commission from those sales. There are actually a few ways you can disguise your affiliate URL, which makes it more secure, which I do recommend you do. These are explained in the main guide. Where to get affiliate links. The best way to begin with affiliate marketing is to look for affiliate networks. These are sites that make it easy to find affiliate products by advertising them in a single place. These networks sell primarily digital products, which is what we're going to be looking at to begin with. The popular options include JVZoo, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, CJ. There are many others, though, and you can also find affiliate deals other ways. By contacting your favorite sellers and asking them if they'd consider offering an affiliate deal. By Googling affiliate programs and seeing what comes up. By looking on marketing forums like Warrior Forum. Either way, the real magic comes down to selecting the right products from these platforms, and that in turn often means, first of all, choosing the right niche. Questions to consider when trying to find an affiliate product are: the cost of the product, the commission you'll earn per sale, the value, important, what's included, who is it for, does it work with your audience? Creating a website to sell from. Now you have a product and the link. It's time to set about selling it. To do this, you're going to need a website and a sales page. Thankfully, it's easier than ever to build both these things. To build a website, by far the best strategy is to use the extremely powerful and popular tool WordPress. WordPress is a CMS, meaning a content management system. It's also essentially a template that allows you to create a website with minimal code, and then to import ready-made themes and plugins to extend its capabilities and customize its look. WordPress is used by a quarter of all websites on the net, and it powers some of the very biggest brands out there. This is important because it means you know that the tool is capable of creating a highly successful website. Google knows and likes WordPress, and there's a huge amount of support out there if you need help changing settings or fixing the look. What's more is that WordPress is completely free and completely open source. It's different from a website builder in this sense, because it isn't going to tie you to a lengthy contract that forces you to keep paying monthly, nor will you be forced to display ads. Moreover, there is no limit to what you can build with WordPress, as you always have the option of editing the code itself or hiring someone to do it for you. The best part of all this is that WordPress is extremely quick and easy to use. You'll find instructions on how to set it up and make the basic changes you need all over the net, especially on YouTube. Finding hosting. Before you do that, though, you'll also need a hosting account. A hosting account means that you are paying a company to store your files on their server, which is going to in turn remain connected to the web. What that then means is that when someone types your URL into their browser, your website will come up. There are lots of factors to consider when choosing hosting: price, amount of storage, bandwidth, the amount of data that you can transfer, backup, features. Usually you won't need to spend more than $8 to $20 per month, although a lot of hosting companies require you to pay the full amount up front. Some great options for hosting accounts include Bluehost, DreamHost, HostGator, SiteGround. Choose one of these, then create an account and choose a URL, your web address. The URL should be something unique, easy to remember, but also related to the niche that you plan on selling in. Once you've done this, you should be able to access a control panel. These will often now include a one-click install for WordPress. And once you've followed those steps, you'll be able to log into your account and start uploading content, changing the look and feel of your site. It's really that easy. Your sales page. A sales page is essentially a single web page that has the job of promoting and selling your product. That means that you won't feature anything else at all on this page. No other products, no adverts, and not even any links to your homepage, etc. The reason for this is that you don't want anything to distract them from the product you are selling. Instead, this page will typically feature a long, narrow page of text that is focused purely on talking about the product and making the reader want to buy it. As the reader scrolls down, they will begin to feel more and more invested in the product, having spent more time there, and they will grow more interested in what you're selling. You will then lace the page with Buy Now buttons, which will take them to the affiliate checkout. The art is in writing this sales copy in such a way as to truly persuade the reader. So how do you do that? Here are some key tips for making a successful sales page. 1. The value proposition. The first and most important thing by far is to make sure that you understand the product's value proposition and how to leverage this for success. Essentially, a value proposition is the thing that makes your product desirable. If the product is a good one, then this should have a strong emotional pull. 2. Know your audience. The biggest mistake is to try and appeal to everyone. Do this and you will end up with a bland product and a bland pitch that won't make a big impact. Instead, think about the precise kind of person that you want to address. Then think about how you can reach that person. 3. Urgency. People don't buy things because they need them. Don't buy things because it makes logical sense. People buy things because they feel this sense of urgency to do so. They do this because they're excited about the prospect of something. They think it will make them feel good or be less stressed, and they're worried they'll miss out if they don't. 4. Readability. Readability is also extremely important when it comes to selling a digital product from a landing page. In short, if your website is currently a huge block of text, then this is going to put people off reading. Remember that attention spans are shorter on average than they have ever been, and a lot of people are going to be pushed for time. Don't make them work to understand your text. 5. Narrative structure. Another powerful trick is to use a narrative structure. When we see a story, we find it very difficult to move on without reading the whole thing. Moreover, we find it much easier to relate with what's being said on an emotional level. Standing out. Standing out is important in general. People are sick of seeing the same thing over and over again. If you want to sell, the most powerful thing you can do is to make your offering really unique and exciting.